What's good, Patriots? My name's Jackson.
And I'm Yvonne. And this is your Patriot Prime.
Seniors, go to the Heritage website to find out how to register and order transcripts through Parchment.
Are you looking for an elective class to get a schedule change? Consider joining one of our choirs. We have a beginning female choir 5th period, beginning to advanced men's choir 6th period, and advanced female choir 3rd period. If singing is not your thing, we have ukulele 2nd period and 8th period. Beginning and advanced players are welcome.
Attention all current NHS members. Your spring 2024 packets along with transcripts are due by Friday, August 23rd.
So I think my brother got me into track because I saw him go out there one day, and I just really felt like I could do something because I'm like very athletic, and I know he's athletic too. So if he could do it, I know I could do it. I would say that people on the team and doing hurdles because the people encourage you to do better, and the hurdles challenge you, and I like a challenge. I think the most challenging part about the sport is being mentally prepared because it's not all physically. Because like if you do the 400, the last 400, like your vision goes blurry, and you just gotta tell yourself to just keep running. I say my favorite food is pasta because like there's many different pastas. There's shrimp, Alfredo, spaghetti, mac and cheese. There's so many different types. Alright, so for song artists, for R&B, I'd probably say Thames or Summer Walker, and rap, I say KJ Ruffin. My favorite clothing is, I say vintage, like thrift, but like right now, this is just like some calm. I like it because it's just like a new type of thing. Like not everybody's wearing like sambas and stuff, but it's still nice and fashionable.
Join us after school on Thursday, September 5th in the College and Career Center. We will have a university admissions counselor from the University of San Francisco providing information and answering questions about university admissions, financial aid, housing, and many other topics. For questions, please contact the College and Career Center.
Join us during lunchtime on Wednesday, September 18th in the College and Career Center. We will have a university admissions advisor from Cal State East Bay providing information and answering questions. For inquiries, please contact the College and Career Center.
District College Night will be September 25th from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. in the Heritage Gym. This is a great opportunity for students and parents to connect with representatives from college, vocation schools, community colleges, and U.S. military.
I'm Jackson.
And I'm Yvonne.
And that was your Patriot Prime. Stay tuned for your final segment.
First things first, you want to rinse your potatoes. After you rinse your potatoes, you can go ahead and peel them. Once you've peeled them, go ahead and rinse them off again. Once they're rinsed off a second time, you can cut your potatoes into your desired shape and size. After they've been cut, go ahead and rinse them in salt water. Prepare your oil to fry your fries in. Once the oil gets hot enough, fry your potatoes. Once your potatoes are fried to your desired crispiness, go ahead and add seasoning and enjoy.